Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can customize your profile URL in the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate back to your dashboard on Webflow. And what you want to do is, let's assume, for instance, you would like, or you have created a workspace and your own online blog within that workspace. And now you'd like to change the name of your public profile to the name, let's say, of your online blog or something like that, or of your workspace for your team you're working with. So what you want to do is navigate to your account settings first in the top right, click into create profile there, and then you may go through that overview here. If you haven't created any profile, you can do that by clicking into this button. Now I'm going to skip this and show you how you can customize your profile link. So you will see it here in that field with that icon. So that field must be used before you can, or must be filled with a profile URL before you can save your profile and set it to public at the bottom. So in this case here, click into this field here and let me name it after my online blog, for example, or my workspace I'm working with my co-editors with on. And after that, as you can see, guys, there are some you must or your profile URL must align to that rule here. And after that, click into create profile there. You may also change its status and visibility here. You may assign also a website you have created here on Webflow, for instance, by entering the URL here, the language you speak, for instance, and so on and so forth. So to finalize these settings, click into create profile here, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.